How do I troubleshoot my Ring doorbell setup connection issue?
Hello, dear viewers. We are going to delve into a very common problem today that many of us face with our Ring doorbells: connection issues. By following these step-by-step instructions, you should be able to troubleshoot most of these issues on your own. Let's get started.
Is your Ring doorbell receiving power?
The first thing we need to establish is whether your Ring doorbell is receiving power. Unpowered Ring devices will not connect to the internet, and therefore, to your home network. Ensure that your Ring doorbell is properly charged or wired to your home electricity supply.
Is your Wi-Fi network working properly?
Your Ring doorbell relies heavily on your Wi-Fi network. If it's down, the doorbell won't be able to connect. Check other devices in your home to ensure your Wi-Fi network is up and running. You may need to reset your router if you are experiencing network issues. Simply turn it off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on.
Is the Ring doorbell within range of your Wi-Fi?
Remember that the Ring doorbell needs to be within the range of your Wi-Fi. If it is too far from your router, it might not be able to establish a connection. Try moving your router or doorbell to ensure they are not too far apart. Alternatively, you may consider using a Wi-Fi extender.
Is your Wi-Fi signal strong enough?
If your Ring doorbell is within range, but your Wi-Fi signal is weak, you might experience connection problems. You can check your Wi-Fi signal strength through your Ring app. If the signal is weak, consider moving your router closer to your doorbell, removing any obstructions, or using a Wi-Fi extender.
Have you correctly set up your Ring doorbell?
If you've confirmed that everything is okay with your power and Wi-Fi, but are still experiencing issues, it might be an issue with your Ring doorbell setup. Make sure you followed the setup instructions correctly. You can always reset your Ring device to its factory settings and start the setup process again if you're unsure. That's it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot most of your Ring doorbell's connection issues. Remember, if you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Ring's customer service. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, stay safe and stay connected.